Let me record. Okay. So let me open Notepad to this. Uh, maybe tomorrow, you know, Manohar will be going to take the class. Please available. Hmm? Please attend that session as well. That is very important. Okay. So he will be going to deep dive. Monday to Friday morning. Okay. One class will be there. Monday to Friday. Okay, I have asked Manohar to take on behalf of me whenever I am not available. Hmm? And in case if I am available, what I will do, I will take the class. Otherwise, Manohar will be going to take the class. So Manohar also having the 4 years of experience. Okay, so he will be going to take the class in on Snowflake. Okay, so major classes I will take and you just listen and all the functions, whatever we have, right? He will take care, which I am not going to cover. Hmm. So he will explain very good. Hmm. And today what we have discussed is a serial floor and round and mod we have discussed. Correct? Okay. Now after
Yes,
that
sir.
we
Yes,
have
sir.
discussed.
Model round,
Yes. And we have discussed a
serial
content.
floor also.
Sorry.
Floor also.
Yeah, that is what. Seal, floor, and round and mod. Okay. Ramesh, Ramesh, if you are not talking, right, then
Sorry,
please.
sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Uh, okay. Now, we will discuss about the, substring. Okay. Substring is very, very useful and with sometimes, right, without using substring, there is no project like substring and as well as conditional statement case. Okay, these are all very, very important. You need to practice like anything, this case and substring, very, very important. Okay, so that you need to understand very carefully and you have to practice multiple scenarios on case and substring. Hmm? Okay, so let's see. Okay. Hmm. And before that, I'll just give you some syntax on the date. Okay. So we have a current date. Whether we have a current date or sys date. Sys date. Okay. What it does, it will give you the system data. Sys date, I think this is not working. Mm, Get date. Okay. Get date, this is today June 1st, right? Okay, 2025, 0601, with the timestamp, it will give you the data. Okay, so this is to know the what is the your current date. And similarly, okay, whether let me see whether current date also will work or not. Current date. Hmm. Hmm. Current date, it will give you the only date. So please remember, this is also we use regularly, current date to get date to. Okay, so if you give -1, right, what it does, it will come, here it will print May 31st. If you see, it will reduce the one date. Yes, see here. And if you give 2, it will reduce the 3 more days. 3 more days means it will go June 1st, 31st, and 30. It means it will print, 29. Okay, like this. If you give positive, what will happen? It will add days. Today is June 1st, right? It will give June 4th. Okay, like this. Similarly, get it also. Let me just check. Underscore. Mhm. Hey, wait. Get it is giving the result, but why it is not going back? Hmm. I think this is not allowing, like we need to convert as a number. Okay, see, invalid argument it is passing. Okay, so just remember these two. Get date and current date. Hmm? Current date and then current timestamp. Let me try this also. We have a current timestamp. Let me add this, whether it will go back or not. Let me see. This is also not taking this. Okay, fine then. Okay, remember this. One is get date. Okay, and another one is current date. Okay, and another one is current timestamp. Okay, these are all very important. In real time, we use regularly. Okay, we will use regularly real time. This will useful when we go to the other classes. Okay, when we go to the other topics. Now we are going to discuss substring. Okay, here we have a customer table, right? In this customer table, okay, we have like this. Okay, Chinna, Ramu, Kumar, like that we have, right? Okay, now what we do? Hmm, we have a customer name Chinna, right? For example, I want to print first letter. Okay, I want to print the first letter. This substring, what it does actually, it will filter the data between the data, means column level. Okay, so value whatever we have under column, right, it will print a first letter. It will substring is nothing but it in the same value, whatever data if you want, you can cut that particular value. Now we will see how that will divide letters, how it will filter the values, that we will see. Select, okay, substring of open bracket and close bracket, and we need to give a column name. Okay, I'm giving column name. Like now what I will do, I'll give just here some letters. A B C, comma. Now what I will do, 1 comma 1, I'll give like this. So now what exactly it does, under ABC, this is starting of the letter. And how many letters I want, that position, I mean how many letters I want. Okay, so now you see, when you execute, right, it will print A, like this. If you give here 2, now this is starting of the position. After that, how many letters you want to print? So now I have given 2, right? So from 1 to 2 it will print like AB. So it will print AB. Now I want to print BC, for example. Now you need to give here B is 2 because the position is starting 2 means it will read like 1, 2, 3. This is the position, and this one is how many letters you want. So now you see it will print.
2, 3.
For example, if I give 4 here, I have started with the second. Now after BC, two letters, remaining two letters will be there here. Okay. I mean, we have given 4, right? Still what it does actually, whether how many letters are there, it does not matter. Okay. For example, here you have a 4 and you have given, you want 4, sorry. Here you have a 2 and you have given 4 letters you want to print, but only 2 you have, right? Whatever at the end, till end, whatever the letters are there from the starting position, that will print. Okay, whether you have you give 10 or 20, it does not matter. How many letters are there at the end, that is the matter. In real time, how we use, that is the matter now. So we will not practice like this in real time. Okay, just to show you how it will print, I have given you the example here. But in real time, how we will do this? We will use the column. Okay. Now I have a customer name here, right? We will give customer name here directly. When you are giving a column, you should not give single quotation. Okay. If you give single quotation, for example, it will treat as a string value. Now, if you execute, right, what will happen? It will print only this value. Okay. So please remember, whenever you are giving a column, you should not give a letters. Okay. Single quotes. Now you see, like this we practice in real time. How many records are there in the table? Okay. Entire records it will print. See what we have given. I'll give one more column here so that you can observe how many letters are there. Customer name. Now you see. So this is my full name. Under full name, the first column what I have given, from second letter to how many letters I want to print? 4 letters. So from second letter, what is the second letter? H. And then after that, how many letters I am requesting? From H, 1, 2, 3, 4. Means it has printed HINN like that. Okay, for everything, if you see, Ramu, we have total 4 letters, and I have requested from second position and 4. I have only, after that, I have only 3 letters. So 3 got printed. So like this, how this particular substring is used to print the values how you want. Okay, how many letters you want, from which position you want, that also it is useful. This way we can use this in real time. So in real time, there is one more scenario we have. I'll tell you after practicing all these scenarios in the different types of scenarios in by using the substring. Okay, now we have seen. Okay, now for example, I'll give one and then I will give here 0. Okay, now you just see what you will get the result. Nothing. Why? Because you have said here, yes, from the beginning. Okay, but you have not given ending position. You have given a 0. How many letters you want? You don't want anything because you have given 0. So that is the reason it has given empty. Okay, now if I give 1, what will happen? 1 starting of the letter, I'll get it. See? Everything, if you see, only starting letter. Array, this is good. Okay, I got the starting letters. Okay, now my requirement is I want to print that here all small letters, but a few of them are having a small letter and a few of them are having a capital letter. Now what I have to do to convert into small letters? Anyone?
Select lower.
Lowercase. Select
Lower,
lower.
lower on top of this query. So first what it is, this substring will work. On top of that, this lower will work. So once you get the result, it will convert into small letters. Perfect. You see, all are converted. So this, like this, what it does, it will keep this result, what will happen once this executed, right? It will keep under cache, and then once this is get the result, then on top of that it will work, so that it will convert into small letters. Okay, it will work like this. Now this is okay. But now my requirement is I want to print last letters. Okay, A, U, R, U, like this I want to print. Starting letters I have printed, that is fine for me. But now I want to print ending letters. What I have to do? Simple. The starting position you have given, right? This one positive number will be coming from left. Okay, if you give negative number, it will come from right. Okay, now you give like this. See, at the end, whatever you have, right? A, U, R, U, I, see, like this it will print. Now, if you give position here, 4, what it does? It will give only A, 4, R. It is not like that for positive number left to right when you give right here. What will happen? It will give from the first to fourth letter.
INN.
Yes. Now you see, it will give same value only. Why? Because you are asking A, and your assumption is it will, you are thinking like it will go by left to right to left, like 1, 2, 3. No, this function is work like, the ending position is it will take from the left to right only. But this starting position, where how you have given positive number or negative number, only very simple. If you give positive number, it will come starting position from the left side. If you give minus, then it will start from the right position. But the next value, how many letters you want, you are giving, right? It will work from left to right only. Even if you give a positive number, even if you give a negative number. But now I want to print from, okay, last 3 letters. I want to print from last 3 letters. What I have to do? Then give simple here 3.
-3.
Yes, -3. If you give -3, what will happen? It will print minus last 3 letters. You see, NNA, AMU, MAR, QQU, JJU, NKI, like this. Now, from last, okay, from third to second letter, if you want, then you can give second. Now, what it does, it will go left. You have given 3, right? 1, 2, 3. It will go on A letter, and then 2 letters you have given, right? It will go right again. So what you will get? AM, here MA, here GG, here NK, like that it will print. See, AM, MA, GG, NK. So like this it will work. Only 2 scenarios, either right to left, left to right. This is the main position it will take consider. Okay, but in case if you give here, okay, the number of position, always it will read from the left to right. Keep that in mind. Positive number if you give, it will start from the left. Negative number if you give, it will start from the right. Okay, but the position, how many characters you want, that will work from always left to right. I mean, the position what you have given, from there it will start again left to right. that you need to remember. This is very simple, but it is very, very useful in real time. Very, very useful. Why? Because without a substring, maybe you may not, there might be no projects without substring, without case statements. Really, really, really important. If I am saying really, really in the sense, you think how much it is useful in a real time. Whether they may ask in interview or not, it does not matter. But once you get a job, it is very useful when your lead will be explaining the project, right? I mean, your assignment. Okay, that time sometimes it may come this scenario to implement. So if you know substring, when he is explaining the requirement, you will understand, yes, by using the substring I can get the result like this. You will get an idea. Okay, so you have to practice like this, then only you will get idea. Hmm? This is the uh, you know uh, use of substring. And we have one more thing, letter position to know. Okay, how means, okay, that is one more very, very useful. Okay, so now we will use the either or something, we have an index or something. Let me see. Do we have an index here? Length. Yes. Mhm. Okay, let me see. Mm, Select index of, let me try. Okay, I don't remember whether we have. Mm, mm, mm. What is the function? Substring, not index. Maybe something to identify the.
Character begin.
Hmm? We have one more function that.
Character.
No, 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 no. Uh, hmm, what is the function to identify the character length in Snowflake?
In string and
In string, it will not work, I guess. LEN. Hmm. Let me see in string, otherwise LEN I will use. Hmm. Mhm. Something we have. Okay. Uh, Let me see the example. Hmm. Hmm. Left or right? Yeah. Okay, we can take left. No. 1 second. 1 second. Let me see. I'll search in Gemini. Hmm. Okay. This one. Left, this is okay. Auto, right one, exact, character rank, hmm, Snowflake. No, this one. 1 minute, give me a minute. Just let me check this. 1 minute. Okay, that one, let me check. Okay. Hmm. This is the substring. Hmm? Okay. So now we can use this left and right also. Okay. Left and right. Okay. What it does actually, left and right. If I give and if then comma 4. Okay. You just see from starting to 4 letters it will print like this. Okay. And if you give right, if you give -4, then it will start from the N to 8. Just check. Oh, okay. It will not work. Sorry. Only left it will work. From the till left means left to ending position. If you give right, okay, RIGHT, then it will print from FEEN means NEEF. Total 4 letters. NEEF. Like this, it will print out. Okay. This is one thing. And we have one more is uh, we have seen now a substring and a right and a left. Okay, and then we have one more. Which one? Hmm, let me go here. Okay, and one more is replace. Okay, this replace we will discuss. Let's see. In case if you have a okay replace, what it is. Replace of now I want to remove this double E and I want to keep I, for example, E, and then replace value as I. Now you see it will print, it will replace with E to I. If you give one letter, it will just check and it will replace. Sometimes in interview, they may ask this question. Okay. Wherever you have II, that will replace. Hmm? Now here in this query, okay. For example, what I'm doing, I'm going to use the replace, and here I'll give, if I have a, then replace with M, capital M. Hmm? Just check. If I have, then it will replace. If not, it will print as it is. I mean null. Okay, now you see, wherever we have a, here we have a M got replaced. M got replaced to Kumar M, and here Jaggu. Okay, Venki. Nothing is there, so it will print as it is. So like this, it will useful, replace. And we have a one more called regex replace. This hmm, regex p replace is your homework. This one is for you to practice. And this one you can ignore. We will not use in real time. Okay, this is the today's class. So we have discussed a concat, we have discussed length, we have discussed a substring, we have discussed upper, lower, trim, replace, seal, floor, ABS, round, and mod also we have discussed. And now, okay, we have a case statement, and Coles, I have given you the task. And what you do once you practice, right, you put the screenshot on Twitter, so that I will come to know, yes, you have practiced. Same way, this regex place also, replace also, you practice and give me the your screenshot. Okay, everyone who is attending this call, right, everyone has to replace, I mean practice, and they have to keep the screenshot in, in our group. Okay, I have given everyone permission to chat, right? So you just paste the screenshot, everyone. And tomorrow, I mean either tomorrow or again, till that time, our I will join the call. Okay, I will be there tomorrow call, but I will give, Manohar to explain. Okay, so this case statement and if condition decode, remaining, expression and remaining functions, he will explain. Any questions so far? I'm just talking. No one is asking any questions. Hello. Otherwise, I'll take the 30 minutes call tomorrow. Okay, let me take this case, and if conditionals, right, I will explain. Better I'll take.
Okay,
Hmm?
sir.
Mhm.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Tomorrow again 7 a.m. I'll take only 30
Okay, sir.
minutes. Take much. Okay.
Oh,
So
okay.
far, do you have any questions?
No doubts.
No, nothing from mine.
Sure.
No, sir. No, sir.
This substring is very, very useful. I'm repeating again. Okay. This is very, very useful.
Sir, in last day, day before class, you have showed like how to describe a class, how to describe a table.
Yes.
For that, the query should be uh, describe table name.
Oh, is it? Describe table name. I have not given table, right? Okay. Yes. Let me see. DESC. It will work or not?
It will work, sir.
Yeah. You know. You see, nulls, why means yes, it will allow nulls. Default null, primary key, no, we don't have any primary keys. We have not assigned anything. Unique also we don't have. Check nulls we don't have. Expressions we don't have. Comments we don't have. Policy names we don't have. Privacy domain we don't have. Okay, like this it will by default. Okay. Okay,
It
we
will
have
work
a
for
less.
both schema database also, sir.
Yes. It will work for entire. Hmm? But please practice whatever I have discussed. A substring replace. This is very useful, in real time. Hmm. Even interview.